Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the active versus passive voice. How to convert active into passive voice. First, active voice. In active voice, subject directly perform to action and actions receive object. I love my subscribers. Passive voice. In passive voice, follow the reverse process. Object in the place of subject, subject in the place of object. Same example, I love my subscribers. Subject, verb, object. Object in the place of subject, subject in the place of object. Let's convert in passive. My subscribers are loved by me. My subscriber object loved v3 me subject. Let's do an example of change voice. Active into passive. She sing a song. A song is sung by her. He kicks the ball. The ball is kicked by him. They build a house. A house is built by them. She has written a letter. A letter has been written by her. He will invite us to the party. We will be invited to the party by him. The teacher will explain the lesson. The lesson will be explained by the teacher. They are playing cricket. Cricket is being played by them. He had drunk the tea. The tea had been drunk by him. Follow for more updates.